Okay, I am K.N. Prashant Kumar. So this is a session number 15, Techniques for Business Decision. This is the sixth semester, Kuvempu University. In this session, we can discuss about the topic calculation of probable values of x and y based equations. That means x on y equations and y on x equations. In the previous sessions, we can discuss about the meaning of correlation, regressions, the difference between correlation and regressions, and regressions coefficients and regressions equations x on y and y on x. Today in this session, we can solve the problems on expected probable values. So regression analysis. So calculation of probable values of x and y, that means x on y equations and y on x equations. So learning objective of this session, these concepts helps to student to be familiar with the term regression. The students will know about the regressions equations. This helps the student understand coefficient regressions. Session outcome: by the end of this lesson, students should be able to understand the concept of regressions equations. Students should also be able to express their opinion regarding the coefficient of regression and the probable values of x or y, that means x on y and y on x. So example, problem number 1, from the following data find the most probable values of x when y is 90 and most probable value of y when x is 70. The given information, the arithmetic mean of x 18, the arithmetic mean of y series is 100. The standard deviation of x series is 14. The standard deviation of y series is 20. Correlation of x and y 0.80. So how to solve the problem? The values has to be substituted to the two regressions equations to obtain the probable values of x, y. X on y is given the probable values of y when x is given. How to solve? The first is substituting the values to the equations x on y. That means the formula x minus x bar is equal to correlation of standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, y minus y bar. That means x minus 18, already given in the problem, the arithmetic mean is for x series is 18, is equal to correlation 0.80 into 14 divided by 20. That means standard deviation of x is 14, standard deviation of y is 20, y minus y bar, that means y minus 100. X minus 18 is equal to 0.80 into 14 divided by 20, that means 11.20 divided by 20, y minus 100. So substituting x minus 18, 0.56, y minus 100. X minus 18 is equal to 0.56 y minus 0.56 into 100. So x is equal to 0.56 y minus 56 plus 18. Therefore, x is equal to 0.56 y minus 38. That means x on y equation should be available in the substituting the values. X is equal to 0.56 y minus 38. When y is equal to 90, the probable value of x is equal to 0.56 y minus 38. X is equal to 0.56 into 90 minus 38. X is equal to 50.4 minus 38. The final value when y is equal to 90, the probable value of x is equal to 12.40. So that is means the value should be available on x and y. Same like the substituting the value to the equations y on x, the equation y minus y bar is equal to correlation of standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, x minus x mean. So putting the values, y minus 100 is equal to 0.80 into 20 divided by 14, x minus 18. Y minus 100 is equal to 16 divided by 14, x minus 18. Next is y minus 100 is equal to 1.143 x minus 18. So y minus 100 is equal to 1.143 x minus 1.143 18. Y is equal to 1.143 x, the 100 should be placing the value minus 20.574, that means minus 100 is plus 100. The final regressions equations, y on x is equal to 1.143x plus 79.42x. When x is equal to 70, when x is 70, the probable values of y is, so you keep putting the values on y and x equations, y is equal to 1.143x plus 79.426. Therefore, y is equal to 1.14370 plus 79.426. Therefore, y is equal to 80.01 plus 79.426. The final value when x is equal to 70, the probable value of y is equal to 159.43. That means when y is equal to 90, the probable value of x is equal to 12.40. When x is equal to 70, the probable value of y is 159.43. Same like I can solve the second problem of regressions equations based on x on y and y on x. From the following data, find the most probable value of x when y is equal to 30, likewise, and the most probable value of y when x is equal to 20. The given information is arithmetic mean for x 27.60. The given y mean is, arithmetic mean is given 14.80. Next is the standard deviation of x series 40. Likewise, the standard deviation of y series is 20. So correlation is equal to 0.80. This is a problem. That means whenever the x and y value is given, how to solve? The same already I can discuss in the problem number 1. So like the values has to be substituted to the two regressions equations to obtain the probable value of x when y is given and probable value of y when x is given. So substituting the values to the equations x on y, that means already discussed in the first problem. So x minus x bar, that means mean, is equal to correlation into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y, y minus y bar. X is equal to 27.60, that is given information, is equal to correlation is also given 0.80 into standard deviation of x is 40, standard deviation of y is given 20, y minus y mean, that means y bar or y mean 14.8. So you can substituting the equations, x minus 27.60 is equal to 32 divided by 20, y minus 14.8. Next step, x minus 27.60 is equal to 1.6 y minus 14.8. So next is x minus 27.60. So 1.6 into y, 1.60 y minus 1.6 into 14.8. So that is coming the values. X is equal to 1.60y minus 23.68. So you can substitute shifting the values 27.60 to the, so 27.60 to the, okay. Next is the final value of x on y equations. X is equal to 1.60y plus 3.92. So when the y value is 30, the probable value of x is equal to 1.60y plus 3.92. X is equal to 1.60 when y is given 30 plus 3.92. So x is equal to 1.60 into 30, 48 plus 3.92. The final value of x is equal to 51.92. That means when y is equal to 30, the probable value of x is, the final is 51.92. Likewise, you can substituting the values of equations y on x, y minus y bar is equal to correlation into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, x minus x bar. Putting the values, y minus 14 point is already given, y bar is equal to 0.80 is also given, 20 standard deviation of x is already given, divided by standard deviation of x is 40. So x minus already x bar 27.60. So substituting the values, y minus 14.8 is equal to 16 divided by 40, x minus 27.60. The next step is y minus 14.8 is equal to 0.4 x minus 27.60. So y minus 14.8 is equal to 0.4 x minus 0.4 into 27.60. So next is shifting the 14.8 to the, so is equal to, so y is equal to 0.4 x minus 0.4 x 0.4 into 27, 11.04 plus 14.8. The final equations y on x, y is equal to 0.4 x plus 3.76. So you can use this equation. When x is equal to 12, the probable value of y is equal to 0.4 x plus 3.76. Y is equal to 0.4 into 12 plus 3.76. So y is equal to 4.8 plus 3.76. The final value of y is equal to 8.56. That means whenever the x value is 12, the probable value of y is 8.56. Okay, thank you, sir.